Hi, I have a reservation under Jessa Television. Welcome, Miss Wilson. Let me check your yes, ma'am, room for tonight. We have all the access of all amenities, including the breakfast, food, and the gym. Great. Thank you. All properly dined at the restaurant. Wonderful. Just so you know po, there'll be chargers in the restaurant. Directly your name. Perfect. Please bill everything to my room. Okay, ma'am, please temporary code on your credit card. For the additional bill, katulad po ng restaurant bill, will be called into your final account. Please, sir. Thank you.
Then, how's our current inventory? We need to ensure that we have enough supply for this weekend.
We have done account and we're running low on unit and quantities. I placed our order with our suppliers last week, but they haven't just delivered yet.
Do we have enough lunch through the weekend?
We're cutting it close. We just do have enough. But if our company's increase, we might run into shortage.
I'll follow up with the supplier to expedite the delivery to ensure the inventory is always stacked and maintain service quality.
Hi Miss Bea, this is Marvic Marasigan from Calapan Hotel. I am calling regarding on our recent order of linens and toiletries. It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but we have not received it yet.
Let me check out on that. It seems there was a delay in processing, but I can have the order expedited and delivered by tomorrow morning.
That would be great, but we are expecting high occupancy and those supplies was needed.
I'll make sure it's prioritized. We'll also extend the payment terms on this order to 30 days, giving you some extra flexibility on accounts payable.
I appreciate that. We will settle the payment once the order is delivered.
Please bill this to my room. Certainly, Mr. Visa, your total amount comes to 4,750 and it will be added to your room account. You can settle everything at checkout. Perfect. Thank you.
Here's our account receivable. Most of our guest charges billed to the room. Like Miss Jessa Loiso, she dined in last night on the restaurant, so we added 4,750 pesos on her account.
That's great. We need to ensure we stay on top of our account receivable. So, our goal is to collect payment to check out to maintain positive cash flow.
Okay, we've had a few but most guests settled their accounts before leaving. The automated system sends reminders to those with outstanding balances, so it's helping our accounts receivable in control.
Here's your delivery, Mr. Marvic. License and toiletries as your request. You have also included a detailed invoice and remember, you have a 30 days to settle the payment.
Miss Diane, and our account team to process the payment within the 30 days.
Okay na. Checking out today. Can you tell me the final total?
Yes, ma'am. Let me check your account. Your total is for the room and dining charges is 27,000, including the restaurant bill. Would you like to settle your charges through credit card?
Yes, that works. Please use the same card.
Okay, ma'am. The process is done. Thank you for staying with us, Ms. Jessa, and we hope to see you again.
Thank you.
you.